If you cook meat, you need a digital instant read meat thermometer. And the best meat thermometer for you is going to depend on a few different factors, namely how accurate you want it to be, how you're going to use it, and how much you're looking to shell out for one. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best meat thermometer. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 1. ThermoPro TP20 Wireless Meat Thermometer. ThermoPro is a trusted name in meat thermometers and offers a wide range of models. The TP20 features 2 probes and a wireless range of up to 300 feet, so you can wander far from the grill while still monitoring the steaks and chops. It includes a base unit and wireless remote, so you won't need to add an app to your phone. And the large LCD screen on the base and remote are backlit, so you'll be able to read them in low light conditions. If you're willing to give up some of the TP20 more advanced features, such as presets, ThermoPro also offers its T-Pad-S digital wireless meat thermometer, which has the same wireless range and temperature range but costs a little less. Number 2. Meter Plus Thermometer for Steak. This wireless thermometer pairs with an app via Bluetooth, so you can keep an eye on your steak's temperature from your phone. When you let the app know what you're cooking and select your desired doneness, it will calculate the estimated cooking time. It comes with a storage case that's also a charging station, and it will alert you when fully charged. It scored well in our accuracy test, and our pros appreciated not having to work around any cords. Number 3. Char-Broil Instant Read Digital Thermometer. This compact digital instant read thermometer performed well in our test, giving accurate temperature readings in less than 10 seconds, scoring a 4 out of 5 for responsiveness. It has a few tricks up its sleeve, like auto-off and 7 selectable meat types along with their suggested doneness levels, and it speaks 7 languages. It also features an alarm to let you know when your meat is done. Number 4. ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer. This top Amazon pick has more than 23,000 5-star reviews and is a budget-friendly thermometer with some high-end features. The probe rotates 180 degrees to give you access to all foods regardless of size or positioning, and the display itself auto-rotates, though you can choose to lock it so it's easy to read for right and left-handed users. It's also magnetic, great for storing on the fridge, oven or grill, and has a hanging loop. The manufacturer claims a response time of 3 to 4 seconds with an accuracy of plus 0.9 degrees, though we haven't tested those claims in the lab. Number 5. Lavatools Javelin Pro Meat Thermometer. The Javelin Pro aced our accuracy test and landed in the top spot for our best grill thermometers because the thin tip works well for small foods like chicken thighs, and the probe is long enough for big cuts like pork shoulder. We also love the handy storage features. It's magnetic, so you can pop it on the grill once it's cooled or store it on your fridge, and it has a hanging loop that works on tool hooks. The auto-rotating display makes it comfortable for right and left-handed users, and it includes a one-touch backlight option for better readability. Look for the link in the description box below. If there is another product on the market or if you found one worth your purchase, let us know in the comment section.